Do we use molds? No. The main reason we don't use molds is with a hand shaping process, we have the most control over parts fitting, using the original tooling underneath it, like in this Fiat Dino. We're not going to be able to duplicate this tooling in a mold. So with a lot of reproduction parts, they might be made out of urethane or an open cell foam where they've been jammed into a mold, and then you kind of are just cranking one part after another. Well, there's no test fitting of parts in that process. When people ship us their old parts, we're actually test fitting parts throughout the process. So we've got all the parts here for this Fiat Dino. We've got an Opel 1900 here, a VW GTI, Thunderbird door panels. We even have Mustang door panels. Mustang door panels have been reproduced for a really long time, but the reproductions don't fit well. And another really good example of the reproduction parts not fitting properly, so people decide to send us their original parts for restoration would be with E-body. That would be the 70 to 74 Challenger and Barracuda. And we'll show you in the next video the differences between a restored E-body dash and a reproduction E-body dash.